Hello guys, welcome to PHP Basics. Today I'll show you how to create arrays in section 1.5. So go ahead and open your text editor and your web server localhost. So let's create a variable called cars. And to start creating an array, you need to specify the function array in parentheses and Mercedes, BMW, and Honda. So this array is called indexed array, and another way to do it, you can do cars index of 0 Mercedes, cars index of 1 BMW, and cars index of 2 Honda. So basically it's the same. This or this way, it's the same array. It's an index array, and the best is the first one because it's more clean, it's more neat, and no coding, too much coding and too much variables in your code. So let's delete this one, and if you want to echo cars, you should have an error because it's an array, not a string. So here is it. Notice that it's an array to string conversion on line 16. If you check your line 16, you need to specify the index of your array. So to check the index of your array, go var dump cars, and you will have it. So here it tells you that you have an array of a size 3 because 1, 2, 3. Index 0 is Mercedes, index 1 is BM, and index 2 is Honda. So basically arrays always start with indexes. So 0, 1, it's always start with 0. So now we can echo cars 1, so that means BMW, and we have BMW. And to be able to see the size of your array, you can do, let's create a variable called length, and then you can do count cars, the variable is cars here, and then let's echo here the length of my array is right here, and the length of my array is 3. Another way to do it, size of. Alright, so it's the same output. Okay, so now we have, let me do something here, indexed array h1 BR, then here BR is for break line. This is HTML tag, so we talked about this in my previous video. So let's forget about those codes, and let's show you how to create an associative array. Associative array in PHP. So let's go back to our code to see if it's clean. So this is index. Let me put this here before the var dump, and go back. So index array. Okay, so now the way to how to create an associative array, it's almost the same thing. It's not hard. So you just create a variable, let's say cars associative, I'm gonna call it, equal array. Now you need to specify the value of your associative array, the key. That means the key of your associative array. Let's say basically it's the same thing. So 0 Mercedes, then 1 BMW, and 2 Honda. So let's var dump cars associative. Give me a second so you can see it clearly. This is associative array. Okay, so you see it's basically the same thing, but the good thing about associative array, so here I can put 2012 Mercedes, 2010 BMW, and 2000 Honda. So what will happen when I refresh? 2012 Mercedes, 2010 BMW, and 2000 Honda. And also I can put let's say model, give me a second. So you see here I put model Mercedes, and the others I kept it like 2010 BMW and 2000 Honda. Now another way to do it, you can also echo. I'll show you how to echo your associative array. This is the easy way. So let's say you want the 2010, you close it and refresh. I should have BMW, because now the key that is associated with this string 2010 is associated with BMW. Okay, alright, so let's keep our code here, and now I'll show you the two-dimensional array. So two-dimensional array in PHP. So in two-dimensional array, let's call the variable cars dimensional. Dimensional. Alright, array. And in this array we'll have many arrays. So array, let's say BMW, it's a 2010, and there's 52,000 kilometer on the car. Then let's create another array. In it we'll have Mercedes, it's a 2012, and there is 32,000 kilometer on that one. Save it. Another way to see it more clear in your code, put them like this so you can see your two-dimensional array cleaner. And let's var dump. Let me put here two-dimensional array, and let's var dump cars dimensional, and we have the two-dimensional array. So you see the index 0, we have an array, we have BMW 1, it's a 2010, 2, this is the index of the array. So index of 0, we have an array, that in this array we have index 0 BM, index 1 the year, and index 2 the kilometers. So you can also echo this cars dimensional. Let's say the index of 0, and I want the 0 index, so the echo is BMW. If I want 1, 2010. So basically I'm telling here PHP that I want the index 0, which is this one, and I'm telling I want the index 1, which is 2010. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.